What's going on YouTube? This is Brandon Lechuga with 303 Streets, and today we are going to be going over how to install a new air filter into your bike. So first thing you're gonna have to do is remove the piece that goes right there. As you can see, it's gonna be one Allen key bolt right here, and that's what I've been using to get them off, is the Allen key. And then it's gonna pop out. It's gonna have two clips on the front and two clips on the back side. So two clips right here on the front, pop those out, two on the back, and you kind of just pull those out. So just work it slowly so you don't break it. Next thing you're gonna do is remove these three screws with a Phillips head. So that's gonna be right here, and the plate goes like that. So super easy, super simple. Just remove those, take out your filter. I guess let me put it in there and then show you how it kind of slides out. All right, so that's what the filter is gonna look like. You're gonna need to kind of pinch it and then slide it out, because it's gonna catch on where these little, I guess, plastic pieces connect. You can kind of hear them right here. See, so if you, as long as you pinch it as you go, it should be good. Here's my old one, pretty greasy and dirty. I don't know if this has ever been changed. So pretty disgusting. So to get your new filter out, or new filter in technically, and get the old one out, you're gonna need to pry up on right here like that. There's one little pop pin, flip it over, that's where it was popped in. Go to the next one and do the same thing, pop it, and then it just pulls apart. Grab your new filter, push them in, make sure they're lined up, clips in, and then you just reinsert it and put it back together how you took it apart. Again, make sure when you're doing it, you're gonna pinch both sides kind of. So there's one side pinched. Again, a little bit easier when you have two hands. Pinch this side and then kind of just work it in and pinch it as you go to make sure it slides in easy. There you go. So now it's set in. Air filter, this kind of just holds it in place too. Take that, pop your screws back in, make sure everything's nice and clean. Like I said, I took a rag and wiped down all the plastic to make sure it was nice and clean, and clean the inside a little bit and clean the surface around here, which is still kind of dirty. So just making sure that, you know, getting any sort of extra dust and grime out, so you can put everything back. But yeah, everything's nice and clean. Again, then you just kind of screw this back on. Filter's kind of pressing out. There we go. So that's what it'll look like when it's flush again. Take your piece, clip it back in the two locations, clip it back up here in the two locations, kind of swoops in, and then screw in your Allen key bolt, and that should be it. So yeah, super simple, super easy. This is gonna be located again on the right side of the bike, and you really only need two tools. So I ended up buying a kit on Amazon, 3 filters. Here's what it came in the bag. I have 2 more, brand new for like 10 for 3. So it was a really good deal. I'll put the link in the description of the video so you can get some. If you haven't been watching, this is a project bike build. So here's what the bike's currently looking like. It does need an oil change. The oil is in good shape and clean, but the bike sat for such a long time. I'm putting in, like I said, a new filter, new oil, and obviously, as you can see, whole new body. It is a pearlescent purple, blue chameleon paint, or fender paint, or fenders and everything. And technically it's bearings. So yeah, anyways, that's pretty much it for this video. Pretty simple, pretty quick, trying to keep it short and sweet. So yeah, thank you for watching 303 Streets. If you have any questions, leave them in the bottom in the comment section. If not, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos to come.